A tsunami is coming, a powerful wave of opportunities. But are we ready? This manufacturing revolution will impact us because the Quad Cities region has one of the highest concentrations of manufacturers in the nation. Curtis Burnett, Executive Director of the Quad Cities Manufacturing Innovation Hub, said the technology tsunami is headed towards the shop floor where we need to be digitally ready. If we're not ready, the risks are huge, especially for small and mid-sized manufacturers. The data and technology will be here, but we need to be work ready too. Will our most important asset, our workforce, be ready? At her January 2016 Regional Economic Summit, Representative Sherry Bustos talked about the skills gap, a national shortage of workers with skills for a 21st century advanced manufacturing environment. It's a bottom line issue that will significantly impact the economic future of the Quad Cities region. The president of the Illinois Manufacturing Excellence Center emphasized the importance of marketing manufacturing careers to our youth. I agree. I'm David Buller, CEO of Quad City Area Labor Management Council. Since 1986, QALM has been a positive force for economic change in the Quad Cities community. Our board of directors is made up of 6 management leaders and 6 labor leaders. We have a track record of workforce development as well as serving young adults and children. I've worked in schools with the successful IJAG program that prepares students for careers. In February, we're hosting over 50 students for our mock American Collective Bargaining event where students will learn transferable life skills, hands-on. We're also working with Alcoa and its unions in the Quad City Career Consortium on a manufacturing expo for 900 plus students. Our Job Talk graphic novel will show junior high students and their parents that they can get good manufacturing jobs if they develop the right skills and attitudes. We've got the personal working relationships with our manufacturing companies and their labor unions, needed to provide rigorous, high-quality training that mutually benefits both labor and management. Here's the framework of our solution to the manufacturing skills gap. I've shown this advanced manufacturing competency model to manufacturers, and it clicks with them. QALM focuses on the foundation, personal effectiveness, and workplace competencies. Without this foundation, people don't achieve success as students or as workers. Workplace competencies can be built in such a way that personal effectiveness grows along with them. Measurable improvements can be made in the communication and listening skills that underlie so many business problems. Conflicts can be resolved and collaboration built. Our new era negotiations process works for a wide spectrum of negotiating, not just contracts. Productivity, quality, profitability, and company morale can improve when the workplace is healthy instead of hostile. Diversity is increasing and workers can learn to value and leverage differences. QALM's flagship program, Change is an Inside Job, teaches people how to make the most of change. The critical foundation supports the development of technical competencies that make manufacturing businesses profitable, like process design, production, maintenance, supply chain logistics, continuous improvement, green manufacturing, and healthy, safe, secure environments. So, where do we go from here? We envision a pathway that leads both workers and businesses to a higher level of competence, productivity, security, and profit. QALM is ideally positioned to work with manufacturers and unions, public and private sector economic development agencies, school systems, colleges, and universities in our Iowa and Illinois Quad Cities region to harness the power of this manufacturing technology tsunami. QALM is ready to train new or current workers on site or in open enrollment classes to build the foundation of a digitally ready workforce. Better yet, we would like to construct a pre-employment boot camp to help job candidates become work-ready and give employers a rich profile of the person they are hiring and include follow-up during the probationary hiring period. Sounds expensive, but onboarding costs for a new employee is already high and turnover is a huge profit drain. Even more important is the cost of lost productivity, quality, and opportunities. For the future of the Quad Cities region, We have to do something. We've been warned that the technology tsunami is on its way. Are you ready? I'd like to hear your ideas about this and talk with you about the specifics of what QCALM can do. Here's how you can contact me.